वेलकम टू वेल्थ क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी बरी आसतली साऊथ आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे आउट ऑफ डिमांड people were asking me how our rice is fluffy and quick and easy. So here is a recipe. I already have a video, but that was very old video. So I'm making a fresh new video how we make our rice, our daily rice what we eat at home in a quicker way. So this is our measurement cup. You can take whatever is there at your home. So this is for 3 people measurement cup. So if you are taking Amazon measurement cup, then you will have to take 2 of that for 3 people. So it depends, like if you are eating less rice, then maybe 1 cup is enough for 3 people. But if you are if you are a rice eater and if you want to eat more rice, then it is 2 cup for 3 people. So depending upon that. So this is now gone, 1 cup. We'll wash this nicely and take out the starch from this. So you have to rinse it nicely for at least 4 times in a water. And meantime, I'll keep this water to make this boiling hot, because we use hot water, but you can use cold water if you don't have time. Okay, so it's nicely washed. So 4 times you rinse it. So 4 फाटी हे बरे भशेन धुवन घेयात. मेजरमेंट कप तुम्ही जितले शीत जेता पळय तितले, आनी उदक तुमकां सांगता हांव. आमच्या ह्या मेजरमेंट कपाचेर आमी उदक कितले घेता पळय तें. Add salt to taste. So we are adding 1 teaspoon for this, and we are adding 2 cup of water, same measurement cup, and it is hot boiling water. So double the ratio of the rice. So we'll cover this. And we'll have to give only 1 whistle. Okay, now again over here also some people want 2 whistles, but in 1 whistle your rice will be cooked nicely. And what rice we are using is like jeera rice. Okay, you can use kolam rice also, you can use ration rice also, depending upon your rice, but the measurement is 2 cup. So आमी एका आता आमी 1 whistle मारून घेतली आणि आमचे शीत ready. See, now the whistle is getting ready. So within 5 minutes the rice is ready actually. And here it's done. We'll put off the gas off now. Thank you. I will show you all then. So now let it cool down for 10 minutes and then we will open it. So now here our rice is ready, fluffy. So easy and quick way to cook this rice. Enjoy with dal or curry. Thank you. Simple and quick way of making and cooking rice. Thank you. Devarekuru.